Speed equals distance over time. You must make sure your units match. So if distance is in meters and time is in seconds, speed will be in meters per second. Whereas if the distance is in kilometers or miles and the time is in hours, the speed will be in kilometers or miles per hour. Key thing, if our time is in hours and minutes, we convert that into minutes. So in our first example, we're being asked how far was the journey. That's a distance. So using the speed equals distance over time triangle, we want distance, which is speed multiplied by time. Speed in this case is 20. The time is 1 hour 30, which is a total of 90 minutes. But we need to divide by 60 because otherwise we're going to be travelling far too far. 20 multiplied by 90 divided by 60 gives us a fairly sensible answer of 30 miles. Second one, we want to know how long the walk takes, so that's time. Speed equals distance over time, so the triangle tells me that time is distance over speed. The distance is 13.5, the speed is 3, 13.5 divided by 3 is 4.5, so 4.5 hours. We could write this as 4 hours, 30 minutes, 4.5 hours. Average speed, so in our speed equals distance over time triangle, speed equals distance over time. The distance here is 16 kilometres, time is 30 minutes, but because we're in minutes not hours, we'll need to multiply our answer by 60 to get a sensible speed for the bus. So 16 divided by 30 multiplied by 60 is 32 kilometres per hour, a fairly sensible speed for a bus. So some common speeds that you should be roughly aware of. Walking pace is about 3 kilometres per hour. Running somewhere around 10 kilometres per hour. Cycling a little bit faster again, maybe 20 kilometres per hour. Driving depends on the road, but anything 50 to 120 kilometres per hour. Trains can go even faster, so anything between 50 and possibly 250 kilometres per hour. Aeroplanes, to get off the ground, need to be travelling at hundreds of kilometres per hour, so 500 to 800 kilometres per hour. Whenever you're answering a question, make sure you have a sensible speed for what the person is doing. Density has two measurements. If masses is grams and volumes in centimetres cubed, density is grams per centimetre cubed. But if the mass is in kilograms and the volume in metres cubed, then the density will be in kilogram metres cube. Again, we can use our triangle system. So to find density, the triangle is density equals mass over volume. So D equals M divided by V, Mass is 2208. Volume is 2400. Calculator tells me 2208 divided by 2400 is 0.92. We had grams and centimetres cubed, so my unit is grams per centimetre cubed. To find mass, there's my DMV triangle. I want mass, which is density multiplied by volume. Density of 2, volume of 420, multiply them together. 2 multiplied by 420 is 840. Question has grams in it, so my answer will be in grams. Volume, DMV triangle, V is M over D, so the mass is 440, the density is 2200, put it in the calculator, 440 divided by 2200 is 0.2. Units, metres cubed in the question, so metres cubed in the answer. Pressure formula will always be given to you, so to work out this question we just need to use the triangle that they've given us. Pressure equals force over area. We're being asked for the area, so area is force over pressure. Force is 140, pressure is 35. So our answer will be 140 divided by 35, 4. Units, metres squared in the question, metres squared in the answer.